back to my channel. I'm Sarah and welcome back to my bathroom, because today I'm going for some DIY butterfly bangs. Butterfly bangs are these super cute, outward, wispy in the end and face framing soft bangs. And for this I'm going to follow a tutorial by a professional hairstylist I found on YouTube. Of course I will link it down below so you can follow it by yourself. I will follow his instructions and see if my end result will look as fabulous as his, because I was just stunned when I saw it and I needed to have this super cute bangs. Yeah, but before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel, follow me on my Insta and on my TikTok. Let's go! So I'm going to part this video into 3 sections. Section 1 is sectioning, part 2 is cutting, and part 3 is styling. So let's hop right into the sectioning. And for this, he said we have to section a triangle, and that we have to start where is the at the flat. Just follow what I'm doing. Around here, so it frames your face, he said. This. So we have this middle part, then we are going to section it like this, and this side he said we can have like this point as an orientation point where we have to do the sectioning for the triangle. So okay, sectioning is done. Let's hop on to the cutting part, and for this I'm going to use a scissor like this. He also used some like this, of course a better one, but this one is from the drugstore, and it's important that it has these little teeth. And we are going to need 2 combs, and we are going to start to brush it through so we have every hair in a nice direction, in the right direction. And he said something that about the lips that we are going to cut here, and he said, these are my teeth, you're going to go with the small teeth underneath till the lips, and then you go with another one above, and then you just twist it so you have it like this. Oh, and it's not easy. How should this work? Wait, let me see this again. You actually had the small teeth underneath, but my bangs, my hair is so thick, I can't take care of this as much. I just need to take care that it's secure, and I do this to my mouth, like here. So you're going to cut a good amount, and then I'm going to take another comb and put this over here so we block the hair. I'm just saying what he's saying, and then we are going to flip this around. Oops. I hope this is even, and I hope it's going to work. It looks good. And then you take these scissors and cuts it off. I'm gonna do it right now. This is what we are going for, to have this here. I don't know if this is a little bit too short. Okay. It seems like I'm kind of right, because this is the kind of shape we are looking for, this. And to finish this off, he said, we are going to separate it again and bring it here. And cut. And I think Okay, by the instructions, this was it with the cutting. So let's go on to the styling part, and for this I'm going to wet my hair a little bit because they're very dry. This is just regular water, and in the video he was just blowing it inwards, and for this I'm going to use this filling air blow writings. Stylist is so good. I'm telling you, follow him and watch his videos. He's so good. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Wow. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's open my hair. Let's do a short styling. It's not done yet. Hello butterfly bangs. Oh yeah. Look. It was not as easy like curtain bangs. Ooh, I did a really great job, I think. But I feel like I need a little bit more waves down here, so let's add some styling in the end. This is the end. Let me know what you think. I feel like I got this 60s vibe somehow. I definitely could work on some more volume, but I actually have a lot. Already I'm so in love with this butterfly bangs, and definitely with the tutorial I followed to get this hairstyle. I'm going to link you all the information you need in the description box or in the corner here or here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was interesting for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow me on my TikTok and on my Instagram, and see you in my next video. Bye!